Hello guys, what's up? It's Joshua from Inspired Fingers, and I believe it's been a while, so I just thought of dropping by to share one or two things with you as to how I get my ideas, how I, approach the piano in general. Okay, so one thing I do is I play the piano as if I'm having a conversation with someone. Okay, so I'm like conversing with the piano, like I speak to the piano using my fingers, and the piano speaks back. So that way I don't get to struggle to express myself, because one thing I want you to actually have in perspective is music is a tool for expressing your ideas. Actually, music is a language. You have the written form, you have the audible form of music and everything. So music is a language. You can use it to express yourself, the way you feel, your emotions, your thoughts, your whatever you're thinking about. You can just express yourself using the language of music. So that's the way I also approach music. And yeah, recitals are okay. You having a rehearsal, and you're just playing exactly what's been played in the song, just for performance and all that. But I would really appreciate it if you go more deep, rather than just playing recitals, to you having that flow, like you just flowing with the instrument. It mustn't be the piano, it can be any instrument you find yourself playing. So I can just walk up to the piano, maybe I'm just feeling somehow, I can just come, I just like play. I'm not actually playing any song, I'm just like expressing myself, understand? So sometimes I can just go again and I say, I might not even be thinking of the key I am, so it doesn't have to do with the key you're in, but just like, that's why it's better you learn how to play all the keys, so that at any time you can just play something, even though you don't know what key you're in. I don't know if you get, you can just flow. Can just be playing. And that has to do with you knowing how to articulate your notes as well. You applying your touch sense, as you're playing soft, you're playing loud, you're playing moderately loud. You just have to know all these things as well. So when you're doing all these things, you're like having a conversation with the piano, and that way a whole lot of ideas just comes in. So I can be playing a song, let's every other name fade away. I'm just like having a conversation with the piano. I don't know if you're getting what I'm trying to say. So please, I want you to start viewing the instrument, whatever instrument you find yourself playing, start viewing it as if you're having a conversation with someone. I know it might be somehow looking so awkward to you and all that, but I've spent so long number of years doing this, and that's why I don't have issues having a conversation with the piano, because like the piano has been a friend, it has been a companion. If you like, take it like I'm taking it as an idol. I don't care. But it's actually, I just wish the piano was a living thing, actually. So if you want to understand your instrument well, look at it as if you're having a conversation with it, and that's where you don't get to struggle that much when you're trying to play. I don't know if you get it. All right. So that's how I just approach music in general. I think you've heard me also say that I don't really spend time scoring songs or doing all those things. I've done those things in the past. I know, yes, and once in a while, maybe I get called for gigs, or I don't even do gigs that much. I don't even do gigs. So, but even though once in a while, like I get a gig to attend and all that, I prefer to play from my mind, whatever just comes in, whatever flows, as long as I'm in line with the progression of the song. That's just all. I just make sure I stand by, but I try as much as possible to flow. I just have the conversation with the piano, all right? But there are some extreme cases where we'll just be required to score the song and play it as it is, okay? So in that case, sometimes I also just stay by the rules, okay? But most times, just have a free flow. Take a look at it as you're expressing yourself in English, like they asked you to explain erosion, or explain pollution, or explain something, and you just have to explain it in your own way. You don't have to go into your textbook, maybe your geography textbook or whatever textbook you're actually using to explain that. You don't have to start quoting exactly what is written in that textbook. Just express yourself, in your own terms, in your own word, in your own way. Okay, how this stuff is, okay, what's the topic is all about, and all that. Just express yourself. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.